Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access user settings on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. Now, Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. Now, I'd like you to know that for you to be able to access user settings, you need to launch your Ziprecruiter employee account, which of course I have done right here. So how do you access the user settings? From your home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have My Account. Select My Account. You have an extended menu that says Subscriptions, Settings, Get $100 credit. That's entering my eyes. You have Help Center and you have Sign Up. Now click on Settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to take you right to this further extended menu that says users, hiring companies, career page widget, hiring badges, my labels, company info, and options. Go ahead and click on users. And once you click on users, you're going to find a list of all the users that you have. So here are the users. Now you can do whatever you want to do with this user. Select manage and you can check my profile, job list, change email, change password. You can even click on the user and carry out other functions in here. So here, head over to general information. This is me. So this is making me do most things here. I can really do anything here because this is me. So if you want to restrict the user, head over to access setting to deactivate the user or restrict the user. You have notification settings, real time, resume attachments. You have other emails that you can do. So after tweaking all of this, you can now click on save changes. So this is pretty much how you can access the user setting right here in Ziprecruiter. So if you want to manage your users, head over to this user list, head over to this user setting, do everything you want to do, and you will be completely satisfied. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.